Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a perfect square using the moss stitch. It's an easy one-row repeat pattern consisting of single crochets and chains. With most patterns, you'll always be working on the right side of the fabric and using a chain one to start each new round. This creates two problems. Your square is going to start shifting to the right if you're right-handed or to the left if you're left-handed. It's not going to be straight up and down. Also, by using the chain one, you're going to have a seam that goes all the way up your project where you did the join. In this video, I'm going to show you two methods to eliminate both of those problems so that you have a perfect square no matter what size you make it every time. You'll start by making a magic ring. I like to use the double ring method. If you're not familiar with that, I will have a link to my tutorial in the description box below. Chain 1. Single crochet into the ring, followed by 2 chains. We'll repeat that 2 more times. Single crochet, chain 2. Single crochet, chain 2. We'll do one more single crochet and close the magic ring. Now this is where we're going to change things up a bit from the traditional way of doing this pattern. Instead of doing a chain 2, we're going to do a half double crochet into that first single crochet of this round. Yarn over, insert the hook into the first single crochet stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. This completes round 1 and you can see that we have a perfect square. To start round 2, we're going to turn our work. We're not going to do a chain 1. Instead, we're going to put our first single crochet between the last 2 stitches of the previous round, between the half double crochet and single crochet. Insert your hook between the stitches and do a single crochet. I like to pull the first single crochet of the round up a little bit taller. You may want to use a stitch marker so that it's easier to identify the first stitch of the round when we get to the end. The first stitch of every round is actually the second part of our corner stitch, which we complete at the end of the round. Chain 1. Skip the single crochet and work a corner into that first chain 2 corner space. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same chain 2 space. That completes our corner. Chain 1. We skip the next single crochet and work a corner into the next chain 2 space. Each corner will be a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same chain 2 space of the previous round. Chain 1. Skip the next single crochet and work a corner into the next chain 2 space. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Chain 1. Skip the next single crochet and we're at our last corner. So the first stitch we did is the second part of our corner. So to do the first part of our corner, we single crochet into that same space as our first single crochet of the round. And to complete the round, we're going to do a half double crochet into the first stitch of the round. That completes round 2. To start round 3, we turn our work. Single crochet between the half double crochet and the single crochet of the previous round. If you're having any difficulty finding the space between the last 2 stitches, it can be easier to turn the work back over and spread the last 2 stitches out a little bit. single crochet, chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and single crochet in the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet, and we're at our chain 2 corner space. So single crochet, chain 2, single crochet to complete the corner. Chain 1 and skip the next single crochet. Single crochet into the next chain 1 space and chain 1. We're back at another corner, so we single crochet, chain 2, single crochet to complete the corner. Chain 1, skip the next single crochet and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1, work a corner into the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, chain 1, skip the next single crochet and work a single crochet into the next chain 1 space and chain 1. We're at our last corner, so we put a single crochet into the same space that we did our first stitch of the round, and to complete this round we do a half double crochet into the first single crochet of the round. That completes round 4. To start round 5, we turn our work. Single crochet between the half double crochet and single crochet of the previous round. Chain 1. We work the same pattern, but we're just adding one additional single crochet and chain to each side. Skip the next single crochet and single crochet into the next chain 1 space. Chain 1. Single crochet into the next chain 1 space and chain 1. Work your corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the same chain 2 space. Chain 1, single crochet into the next chain 1 space and chain 1. Single crochet into the next chain 1 space and chain 1. Work a corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next single crochet and single crochet into the next chain 1 space and chain 1. Repeat that, single crochet in the next chain 1 space and chain 1 and work your corner. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Chain 1. Skip the next single crochet and single crochet in the next chain 1 space and chain 1. Repeat that again, single crochet, chain 1. Work your last corner by doing a single crochet into the same space as the first stitch of the round, And complete this round by doing a half double crochet into the very first stitch of the round. If you want to change colors in the next round, we add the new color in the last stitch. Here's where I made a small mistake. Instead of inserting my hook into the first stitch of the round, I inserted it into the space where I did my last stitch. You don't want to do that. So we start our half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, but do not complete the stitch. Lay the new color over your hook and complete the stitch by pulling through all 3 loops on the hook. We drop the first color and continue with our new color. Turn your work, single crochet in between the last 2 stitches of the previous round. And chain 1. You continue with the pattern. Again, we're just adding 1 single crochet and chain to each side. Single crochet in the next chain 1 space and chain 1. Repeat that, single crochet in the next space and chain 1, single crochet in the next space and chain 1. Work your corner, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Repeat that pattern until the end of the round. Complete the round by doing a single crochet in the same space as the first stitch, half double crochet into the first stitch of the round. When you're ready to finish off, cut your yarn and pull it through the loop on your hook. Sew in your ends to finish the project. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.